horror, you guys. It's Kevin Butterscotch, and it's not really used to using anime. I wonder what he's thinking. What you thinking? You cute? Yeah, you're cute, that's for sure. Thinking I'm cute and adorable and I'm amazing. Oh, here we go. He's going somewhere. Wait, where you go? Under the chair. He's right there, guys. Oh, I just touched him. He's right there. I can poke you. Hey, look, he's right there. Kevin, what are you doing? I'm trying to show your audience you, and you're just like walking away from them. Kitty, 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 kitty. I'll upload more videos of him later. I just wanted to get a few in. But I'll upload more later with him. Okay, purr you guys for now.